Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to play any YouTube videos in VLC Media Player app of Android. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android smartphone home screen. So firstly, just open the Play Store, and in the Play Store just search for one application named as VLC. Just search this application. As you can see on the second list, VLC for Android, just tap on it, and now just tap on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just tap on open. Now just tap on skip or next, whichever you want to click. I will just click on skip, click on OK, click on allow all the permissions. So it's asking some permissions, just grant permission, click on OK, just enable this option. Move back. Now on the right bottom you can see one option written more, just tap on it, and now you can see here one option written new stream, right? Just tap on it. Now it will ask you to add a video website link. So say let me add my own YouTube video website link. So here is one of my YouTube channel video. So I'll just tap on this share to copy its video link, and I'll just copy this YouTube video link, and now I'll just move back to the VLC application, and now just paste it on this box, and now just click on this arrow icon. Now just click on this next, click on next, click on close. Let's just tap on this, click on next again, click on next, click on next. So finally you can see here it's playing my YouTube video directly on the VLC Media Player app for Android. So you can clearly see, and fast forward also. So you need to have an internet connection in order to play your YouTube videos in VLC Media Player. So by using this method, you can easily play any YouTube videos in VLC Media Player app of Android very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.